Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Wallpaper Engine installed from Steam and both monitors physically connected. Once done, set your displays in Windows Display Settings and choose a primary screen so wallpapers align. Then launch Wallpaper Engine and enable multi-monitor support under Settings General so the app can see both outputs. This immediate setup lets Wallpaper Engine present options for spanning or separate wallpapers. Make sure you use the same user, and that now you assign wallpapers to each monitor. You can pick one image and use the three-dot menu to assign it to monitor 1 or monitor 2, or choose span to stretch a single wallpaper across both. If you prefer different content, add 2 instances and assign each to a specific screen. Once assigned, configure aspect crop, stretch, and performance settings per monitor so scaling and FPS remain smooth. Make sure to check refresh rates and resolution matches to avoid distortion. Finish by saving your configuration as a profile and locking the layout so settings persist through restarts. If wallpapers do not show or glitch, make sure other wallpaper apps and overlays are disabled. Conflicting software often steals GPU resources. You can also reduce video quality or explicitly set Wallpaper Engine to use a specific GPU in its performance options to fix stuttering. If problems continue, restart Steam and Wallpaper Engine. That often forces device enumeration and resolves display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.